Greetings everyone in this class, and I'm happy with the progress that we have achieved so far with this training course. And I must confess that I'm really excited about the particular training that we are going to be having today. And that's the third part of the business, talking about bringing business helps to organizations and firms that are just starting up. Now, this particular one is very easy to do, and the good thing about this particular online business with zero capital investment is that the pay is large. Each job ranges between $100 to $215 and even more, meaning that if you just land like 2 to 4 jobs a month, you could end up with $1,000. Or even if it's just 2 jobs of $100, that's $200 for you. And if the one is $250, that's $500 for you. And this is good money. You'll be smiling to the bank, earning the salary of more than a banker that is sweating and killing himself or herself in Nigeria here. Now, this business head that you are going to be offering to these startups and organizations and individuals comes in the form of suggesting business names, suggesting website names, designing logos, designing graphics and branding materials for these organizations and firms, because if somebody is just starting business, he needs all this stuff. So these are the services that you are going to be rendering and offering and getting well paid for it. And the website that we are going to be using for this particular services is called Squadhelp.com. Squadhelp.com, you can see it on the screen. And getting access to this particular service, to this platform, to this website is free of charge. You do not pay a dime. The only time you get to pay money is if you are interested in participating in naming contests, which increases the number of jobs you are going to do. You are not just interested in logo contest, but in naming contest. That's a $10 sign-up fee. For now, $1 is just almost $400. So you are going to be spending 4,000 naira, and it's a one-time thing. You pay the $10, and that's it for life. But if you are not interested, why signing up? That's why I cut off this screenshot this particular screen as I was signing up just now before I started the tutorial. So if you don't want to pay the $10, you just select this, what you want to participate in, that's the logo contest. Also, you click on this submit names for sale in domain marketplace. Just select these two and forget about this particular one. But if you have the money, I would advise you just click on it. You can always come back when you have made money and sign up. So that's it for that. So those are the services that you are going to be rendering. So let's go to the website and sign up. Now, to sign up, you go up here, you click on the sign up, and you'll be led here where you create your account. That's where you create your account. I think it's because I'm already logged in, it's showing here. Okay, let me just log out. So you come on here, you click on sign up, just go, and this particular page will show up. Now you can either join as a buyer if you want to be buying those services, or join as a creative. So choose creative, not buyer. You are not going to be buying anything there. Do you understand? So you choose creative. Put in your real information, your real name. Put in your real name, please. Put in your real name. No fake information whatsoever, please. Everything should be real, and you use a Nigeria IP, not a VPN, no Windscribe, Epic browser or any of the likes, nothing like that. So you choose creative, then allow them to send you promotional material. Please do not sign up with Facebook, do not sign up with Google, but click on create an account. Do you understand? You click on create an account. No, they will not allow me. You click on create an account. This I've already done it, so I won't open another one. Just fill up your information, you create an account. So that's how you fill it. I'm not going to be going into details. You have been filling an account. It's very, very easy to do. Now these jobs, they come in the form of contests. I'm going to close up this. They come in the form of contests. Let's go to the home page of the website. So you see it. So they come in the form of contest. Let's look at it here. This contest. You see how it works. Then browse. Then you see the active contest. Let's just check it. This, you can also sign up using this link. Now they come in the form of contest. These are the active contests right now. Now just look at this e-commerce type incubator that builds companies in-house from scratch. Now if you, let's click on it, let's see what it's all about. And this one is paying $300. Now this product name for beer, wine or logo brand, and you see it's paying $300. I will explain what this NDA mean. You come down again, company name for progressive sales. This one's $300. You just see the job. $300, $300, $300, $300, $300, $300. Wow. Then this 225. Logo for healthcare 225. And this logo also 225. You see, no $100 job. 225. I think this is this 200 domain names, and that's why I advise that you just pay that $10 so that you now have access to all those ones. So this zero entry, you have 11 days. The contest is going to be for 11 days. So the best person with the best logo. So what do? You click on it, the contest. As you click on it, before you start this job, you see review and accept. This logo design is seeking logo design ideas for non-profit. In order to read the brief, you need to agree to the non-disclosure agreement. What is an NDA? Let me sign in again. No, I signed out before now. This is a new account. I'll go back to the contest again, and let me go to active contest. Okay, logo for healthcare, 11 days, 225. Now it's not showing me what I am qualified for. See, it has screened out all those naming. All I'm going to be getting now is logo and what I can do. So you click on it. Please, if you have the $10, pay for it. This is a live business. This is a sweet one. This is a very, very good one. It's easy to do and all. Even if you don't know how to design logo, we'll come to that later. So the website would like to send you notification. I'm going to allow it. So allow. So NDA. What's an NDA? A non-disclosure agreement is that you are agreeing to them that you are not going to release information relating to this job you are doing. Maybe you now put it as a portfolio that you are the one that did the job. They want it to remain private. So you click on it, see it here. An agreement, non-disclosure agreement is entered by you between so and so for purpose confidential. So you just read it up. You read up everything up. Then you do click on this and you now accept. You click on accept. So this is the project logo for healthcare. What is your business / brand? We are bringing so and so. This is the brief relating to your clients, and you are not the only one designing logo, so your logo has to be fantastic. I'm going to show you some sample works that have been done. Now this is the company's website. the people giving the job, tell us about your customers. This all parts of who work directly. So this is the information about them. Now this is the style and concepts. You understand? Something like this, they need something like this. Is very, very, very easy to do. Very, very easy. And I'm going to be showing you how to do this particular job. Again, I will say I am so excited. You have 11 days. That's 12 days actually to get this job done. Do you understand? So that's it, the logo, the naming, the all type taglines. Tagline job also as short statements. Short statement below the logo. There are 0 contest on tagline going on right now. So this is how you actually get access to logo jobs with Squadhelp. With Squadhelps. And I will repeat, do not be scared even if you don't know how to design this stuff. I'm going to show you. I'm going to pause it now. So I am in the next tutorial, because this one is taking time. I don't want it to get too long. In the next tutorial, I am going to be showing you how to actually carry out these jobs and see how you can carry them out using apps. You don't need to stress yourself too much. You are going to use apps, and you see how you can carry out these designs and jobs using apps. Thank you so much. Thank you.